Okay, here we are, 30 minutes since the last one. Can you see the street? Totally covered just about with snow now. There's the parking lot across the street. They still have an area that looks like it's not quite been covered yet. Let's see, but look out there. That's where I showed you earlier. Now it's completely white. There's the building across the street. Nothing so exciting about that. Oh, there. Let's see. There's the parking lot across the street. And yes, you should be able to see the snow coming down. Let's see if I can get the snow. All right, so here we are. It's about 3 o'clock now. What a difference a couple hours makes. And 30 minutes since 2:20 the last time. This is a big difference, especially right on my street right there out front. Okay, bye.